Yeah.
Or you want to do that when you come back?
Come back.
Yeah, we'll do it for lunch. We'll give them a bowl of cereal.
Little bugs.
A bowl of cereal or something.
See if I can find my dishes.
Right there, get rid of them.
I think I will go.
Only got 2 of those big ones left.